Now let's talk about what you are doing currently. Okay, like your current company, your current role, and your current position. If you could tell us about that, what exactly it is, which company, which role, and which position.
Okay, so currently I'm working as a business advisory assistant accountant,
Okay.
and it's in a company called Chakra Partners. I won't call it a company, it's a more of a firm,
Okay.
and it's a New Zealand based firm. So my boss, he stays in New Zealand, and
Nice.
he has one firm over there, and he has just one firm in India. That
Okay.
is in Jaipur only. So yes, that is what I'm working on right now. I recently started, and I've just recently started like 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago. I just started with this position now.
Okay, so it's if you just have to explain your profile to a college student who have never heard about this firm or never heard about this position, like business advisory actually होता क्या है? ठीक है, मुझे as a third year student ये जानना है. So आप उसे कैसे बताओगे? Like in simplest term, give me an example of your firm, of course, without taking anybody's name and any
Yeah,
client's name. But in a simplest term, what would it be?
simple. I won't even take client's name. Simple.
Okay.
12th क्लास में कैश फ्लो फोकस सबने बनाया. एक
Right.
सिंपल होमवर्क मिलता था. गेट अ स्टेटमेंट,
Right.
ऑनलाइन स्टेटमेंट डालो, उससे कैश फ्लो फोकस बनाओ. So the basic thing that you need is you should know how to read a balance sheet, how to read a profit and loss sheet. Simple.
Okay.
And nowadays, what is happening is you don't have to prepare one. For
Mm-hmm.
example, platforms like Xero, Tally, QuickBooks,
Okay.
Zoho, they all give तुम्हें ऑप्शन मिलता है कि तुम वहां से अपनी रिपोर्ट्स निकाल सकते हो. एंड
Mm-hmm.
देन दे गिव यू प्रॉपर एनालिसिस कि ओके तुम्हारा इस साल का प्रॉफिट ये है, तुम्हारा पिछले साल का प्रॉफिट ये था. अब इस
Mm-hmm.
प्रॉफिट में इतना इंक्रीज हुआ है, इतना डिक्रीज हुआ है, क्या
Right.
एक्सपेंस बढ़ा है, क्या एक्सपेंस कम हुआ है, तुमने एसेट्स बढ़ाई बेची, वट एवर इट इज,
Right.
उसमें सारे एनालिसिस देंगे. एंड जब तुम एनालिसिस देखते हो ना, तब तुम रियलाइज करते हो वेयर इज अ कंपनी स्टैंडिंग.
Okay.
यार
Right.
इस कंपनी में मैं आगे बढ़ूं, या अगर मैं ऑडिट टर्म से बोलूं कंपनी गोइंग कंसर्न में है,
Right.
तो व्हाट शुड आई डू.
Exactly.
So that is how we prepare the statements, we reconcile the bank statements, we हम भी एक
Mm-hmm.
पूरी कोशिश करते हैं कि there is no overstatement happening, कोई विंडो ड्रेसिंग नहीं हो रही अकाउंट्स में. And then we see कि हाँ यार रिपोर्ट से आ गई, अब what the client should do now.
Okay.